Hello and welcome. From this series, we are going to discuss about some interesting topic. The topic is how we can deploy our own Docker image using Docker Swarm cluster. If I'm talking about our own Docker image, means image that we are creating using Docker file. Till now, we are always using a base image which we can easily download from Docker Hub. Here we are specifically talking about image created using a Docker file. So let's start. As always, we are going to start with introduction. Here I am going to talk about one problem. So let's understand this. Local image availability. When a local Docker image is created on one node, it is not automatically available on other nodes in the Swarm cluster. Here, I want you to understand this particular concept. Let's say that if I have 3 Docker hosts, now definitely I will create Docker image from any one of them. Let's say that this is my Docker host 1 and I have all the Docker file and index file and whatever my software codes are in the Docker host 1. Now, whenever I want to build image, I will use Docker host 1. So let's say that I am building one image I1 from Docker host 1. Now this image will not be available on host 2 and 3 automatically. Now this is a problem over here because if you want to create service from this particular image, this image must be there in the host 2 and 3. If it is not, you will face difficulties, you will get error as well. Right now I want you to just understand a problem. We are going to solve this problem as soon as possible. Now let's talk about the another point, consistent deployment. Without sharing local images, deploying a service across multiple nodes can fail because the needed image might not be on every node. So this is the issue we have. Right now, I have image in the image name I1 here in the Docker host 1. Now, how I will get this into the Docker host 2 and 3 because Docker Swarm cluster is not sharing this automatically. So, how we can share this image among the old Docker node or Docker host? In this case, we have 3 ways here. The first, as always, manual method. The second, use registries. And the third, automatic method using CI/CD pipeline. Before I am going to explain you all these 3 methods, I want you to experience this problem. In the next chapter, we are going to demonstrate you this image availability issue in Docker Swarm cluster. So, go to the next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.